Hello, I'm Darren McClurg with Zero Zone Refrigeration, here to talk to you about the A2L mitigation systems in our display cases. We have added 7 components to the display case to complete our A2L mitigation system. We have our alarm, circuit relay, normal operation, the LED will be illuminated. We have the mitigation fan, the refrigerant leak detector, the control shutoff valve, the safety shutoff valve, the pen controller, and the mitigation fan test switch. Momentary reset switch, press and hold, fan will operate. Now we're going to simulate a refrigerant leak in the display case. First you'll hear the fan kick on, the pen controller will have a 5-minute lockout. Our safety shutoff valve will electrically de-energize. It's a normally closed contact. It will close and prevent refrigeration flow throughout the system. Our control shutoff valve is a one-way check valve, which will prevent the flow of refrigerant in the system. With the alarm triggered, our LED is now off, indicating that there's an alarm. In our test bench, we've added in a visual indicator. Just follow the wiring diagram on the inside cover of the control panel. This will give the customer a visual indication that there's something wrong with the display case, and they'll need to call for service. Once the leak has been fixed and the unit is ready to operate, after the 5-minute lockout, we'll have to reset the alarm. In the event that the mitigation fan airflow is restricted or the fan fails, the fan control relay LED will illuminate, indicating that there is an issue and there is no airflow. And in the unlikely event that there is a failure of the refrigerant leak detector, the system will go into a shutdown mode, much like you see here, and it will stop refrigerating. Now that the 5-minute lockout has ended, I'm going to resume normal process. Press the dial. We're going to confirm the alarm is ready to be cleared. From the back side of our display case, when you come up there, you'll see our control shutoff valve, our safety shutoff valve, along with our control panel, which houses the alarm circuit relay, the pen controller, and the fan mitigation switch on the very end. Now we're on the side of the unit with the mitigation fan assembly. This will be slid under the unit and bolted into place. And our last component in the mitigation system is to open the center door. Our refrigerant leak detector will be placed in the bottom of the panel, so you have to remove the grates and the bottom covers to gain access to the refrigerant leak detector. And that's our A2L mitigation system provided to you by Zero Zone.